Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be going over the potato salad survival kit. So like the potato salad container you get at the grocery store, something like that, or maybe even a soup container could work. So what we got in there. First you got your lid. You can honestly turn that into a reflective if you really wanted to. Here we have some aluminum foil for cooking or boiling water, or even having a nice dry surface just to start a fire. In this kit, we also included our electric lighter, or arc lighter. It's waterproof. Go ahead and charge it from here. Uses micro USB. No SD. Here we have 3 beef bouillon cubes. We have some yard line for our twine, our cordage. We also have a fishing kit, has some line, some snap-on sinkers, some bobbers, a little fake crawdad there, as well as some leads. For water purification, we got some tablets here. We also have a basic clipper lighter. We have some duct tape. Take this, you rip off a strand, you light it. This saves the fuel in the lighter. If this thing goes out, this thing can also be used for a nice size spark. For cutting, we have our Gerber multi-tool. See some things, as you can tell, in here. Go ahead and close it back up. Out here we have some scissors, which is really nice to have. We also have, see if we can get these out safely without stabbing ourselves. These ones are very sharp. We have a screwdriver and a can opener, as well as our descaler, I believe, yeah, that's a descaler. This is our saw. Here's our blade. Before you bash multi-tools, this is all Liz Stroud ever used. You got your screwdrivers, of course, you got your pliers. Cool little thing, these lock in when you pull them out of the way, so it's safer. And a lot of other multi-tools. Another source of fire starting, we have some UCO stormproof matches. And for signaling, we have the Starflash Micro Signal Mirror. Has a lanyard loop here. We also have our water containment bag here, just tied up with some trash ties to keep it compact. We also have another water containment bag. This one is a gallon bag, so you can carry a good quantity with you. We also have 2 packets of mustard to give you some boost, and it's also a great antibiotic if you have a good gash. We have a little repair kit or sewing kit here. It has a needle, 2 buttons, 2 safety pins, as well as 5 different threads. Another fire starting source is a ferrocerium rod with a striker. It's a full ferro, take this strike away. Throw some sparks. For basic hygiene, we have some water activated towelettes. These can work good also as first aid or even water filtration. Keep you warm out there. We have our Mylar survival blanket or emergency blanket. These are great for reflecting your heat back on you. Put the reflectives together. And to keep you dry, we just have a basic rain poncho, clear. And for water filtration, we have our Frontiers water filtration straw. Tied up with some ties again, cut the straw down. This thing works great. An additional way of signaling, we have our Acme tornado whistle. These things are great, I love the site. Please go check it out. Acme tornado whistles, great deals, great designs. Here here, we have some snare wire as well, just to help you with shelter building or gear repair. And to see, we have a little flashlight here. Little boy, it's not that bright, but it'll be something in a very dark environment, which a wilderness tends to be. Here we have our button compass for navigation, and that is the kit, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments what you guys would do differently, how you guys would make it better. Have a nice day, and thank you guys for checking out the video.